We have pre-set up our Maya Salesbot, the Salesbot, and now we need to do the rest of the setup. So to do that, we need to click on here. So click on login to Maya. So it will open a new web, which is atranoa.com/maya. So this is my login. So I already login in. So click on login. So you can use the same username and password for Kai and also for Maya. So it's the same username and password as long as you didn't reset your password. So if you reset your password in Kai, so you need to remember password for Kai. But if you reset password for Maya dashboard, you also need to remember. But if you didn't reset the password, the moment you register with Kai, both login name and password are the same, which is the login name is actually your email. So this is Maya dashboard. So ignore whatever you see here. So because this one is not finished yet, so there will be a lot of videos over here for you to guide you on how to set up Maya, how to the tips and trick on what kind of script that you need to use for Maya to be able to close many sales, and also tip and tricks on how to do FBS. Okay, so to set up your bot, there is a menu over here. So click on Salesbot list. So you can have multiple Salesbot, multiple Maya actually. But for me, I have two. One is for the demo, and this one is for this guide. So you will only see only one of your bot, which is the display is similar like this. You can only see your bot ID. So there's no bot name, no product price. So date created and date change is already there, and also the status inactive. So what you need to do is just click on the view over here. So for this demo, for this guy, I will click the button here because everything is already set up over there. So just scroll, once you click the view button, just scroll down until the end of this page and you will find a edit button. Click on the edit button. So this is where you can edit all the information, all the content in Maya. So the number one you need to change is the bot name. So let's say your bot name is, for this example, is Maya bot. So the bot name will be used in the bot. So the bot will pronounce itself by this name, whatever name you put here. So there will be another video, another tips on how to, what is the best bot name you can use to for your bots. So this is the product name. Just put your product names, your generic product names. This is the product price for single pieces of your products, and this is where you can attach your product photos. So make sure you attach your product photos, like the best product photo you have over here. And this is a welcome text. Welcome text is where the bot will greet your leads. So the moment your leads click on your ads, this is the first message that they will get. So there will be a lot of information down here. You can use it. And info text is the product information. So you can tell user about your number one USP for info one text. So if you have two or three USP, you can use up to three USP. If you have only one USP, you can expedite your USP in info two and info three text. But the point here is you need to introduce your product. What is your product, or why it is best for the users, so why they need to buy it, why they need to use it. So this three text is connected. So after this tag will display this one, and we will also the next will display this one. So it's in a sequence. Okay, so you can see the sample I put here. And offer greeting text is when the user click on they want to order. So the moment they click the button, okay, I want to order now. So this is the text that they got. So it's like a confirmation text, or congratulation text, or thank you text for the user for making the decision to make orders. So this is the text. And we have three offers you can make in Maya. So it not necessary you need to have three offers. Minimum is one offers, maximum is three offers. You can have one, two, or three, or even one only. So this is the offer one text. So offer one text is actually the offer one title, sorry. Offer one title is actually the title of the offer. So Offer can be combo, can be package, can be bundle, can be a product itself, or can be whatever you want to package together. So offer is like say like you want to package your product, buy five with a with a promo price, 5 pieces promo price. So for this example, it's a super mama combo set of 3 bottles, postage included. So this is the title of the offers, and the text of the offer is yes, this is the text. So it's 3 bottle for only 90 ringgits, whereby the normal price for single bottle is 39. So it's a, yes, it's a huge value for the users. So they spend this actually offer one is the highest in term of price, which is 90 ringgit. If you can see here, offer one price is 90 ringgit. But in term of value, this is the best value for the user. So always put the highest price and the best value as offer number one. So as we go to offer number, the offer one no more text is just a simple text saying that if the user asks, is there any more offer? So you just put this the text here so that the bot will tell the user that okay, this is the only offer that I have. If you have only one offer, if you have many offer, you can ignore this text or you can simply just put it there. So on offer number two, make sure the price is uh, a bit cheaper, not a lot cheaper. As you can see here, 3 bottle for 90 ringgits, right? 3 bottle for 90 ringgit. On offer two, I put 2 bottle for 70 ringgit. So the reason why we do this, we want user to opt for offer number one, which is more value to them and more sales numbers for us. So we sell more bottles with single conversions. So one conversion, we sell 3 bottles. So with this one, that's why we put the pricing a bit, the margin on the price, the different on the price on offer one and offer two has to be slim, The slimmer the different, the better the conversion for offer number one. So we go to offer number three. So offer number three is usually the less offer, but the lowest price, but with a lowest value to the customer. So most of the time we will put that's like 1 bottles or just like a simple price. So this is 1 bottle, 39 ringgit. So as you can see, if they top up another few ringgit, they can get 2 bottle with more offer. Because in offer number two, I put they can get the chance to win the prize. The big prize is 3 chances to win the big prize. If they bought offer number one, they have 5 chances. So this is the point that you need to put in the offer. So why they need to choose the a better offer for them. Okay, so this is the offer. You can have up to 3 offer, minimum one. You can have one, you can have two, or you can have three. So these are testimony parts. So you can put up to 3 testimony image, testimony photos, and or testimony text. So for testimony one, this is where you put the image, and this is where you put the text. So usually we use text like how the feeling of the users, what is the user says about your product, what is the thing that the user really like on your product. So put it in the text here, or you can just put a screenshot of user testimony, which is also good, but you need to elaborate more on the screenshot. Why are the user saying that, and what is the background of the users, right? So testimony two is also the same, picture and text. Testimony three, so you have up to 3 testimony, and all three testimony is need to be uh, insert. You need to have 3 testimony image. So if you don't have testimony yet, you can use this flow to build your trust with your users. So meaning that you can put your product image here, your different kind of product image. I mean different angle or different layout, different setup. So you can just put here why are people saying that your product is good. So you need to fill in these testimony tree. And this admin name is the person who will manage this bot, will manage the inbox. If it is yourself, just put it your name. If it is your team or your manager, whoever it is, just put their name inside there. And this is the email of the admin, the phone of the admin, and also the status. So Initially, once you do the pre-setup, when you log in here, the status is inactive. Once you fill in all the required information up here, you can set the bot to active. Okay, the bot with the active status will activate in the front end. So when you run your ads, when people go to your bot, the bot will respond. If you put it as inactive, user will get in the bot is in maintenance mode. So the bot will not give all this information. The bot will just tell the user that it is in the maintenance mode. So if you don't want your bot to respond, just put it in native. If you want your bot to respond, just put in native. So of course, most of the time you want to bot to be active, right? So basically, this is all the setup that you need to do. And once it's done, just click update, and everything will be synced automatically to your bot. And once you do done this, your bot will, you will show all this information to your users. As simple as that. So in the next video, I will do some demos on how the bot reacts on based on what are the what are the information that we are saving here. All right. So that's all. Bye.